Welcome to Bible Crafts for Kids. We have just finished number 10 in the Miracles of Jesus series. Today we're going to do number 11. Isn't this interesting? It has a little tab that fits in the slot. This lesson is a very important lesson. This is the first time Jesus raises someone from the dead. What we learn is Jesus gives life. He gives physical life, and he gives abundant life. I am reminded of John 10:10 when I read this lesson. The thief cometh but for to steal and to kill and to destroy. I come that they may have life, and they might have it more abundantly. I think the son and his mother had life abundantly after Jesus healed them. You may find this lesson, number 11, in the Miracles of Jesus series. The title is Jesus Raises a Woman's Son in Nain. The lesson also contains the Create-A-Page activity that goes along with the lesson. The lesson and the Create-A-Page download are at BibleCraftsForKids.com. They are a printable, so you can print as many as you need. The printable Create-A-Page comes with full colored instructions. It comes with the label templates, an additional template that I will show you how to use, and I have printed the labels, and you'll also need a 12 by 6 inch strip of paper. You will also need a craft knife and possibly a foam sheet to go underneath your craft knife so it does not cut through to your work surface. You will also need some type of adhesive. Again, I always in these demonstrations use double stick tape, and you can find them in any of your craft box stores. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to cut our 12 by 12 paper into a 12 by 6 strip. And now we're going to cut out our template. Using our scissors, we're also going to cut away the gray areas. And now we're going to lay our template on our left side, and this is going to be our cutaway area of our template. You can use your pencil to draw along those lines, or you may simply just hold it and cut it out. It's pretty simple just to hold it in place and cut it out. This makes the tab of our page. And they are done in straight lines, so it's easy to go ahead and cut them with your scissors. And that is the left side of our page. Now, again, using our template, we're going to lay it on the right side of the page. I'm going to use my foam sheet to put under it. I'm going to take my craft knife and I'm going to cut along this line. I'm going to cut through my template and my paper. And you may double check it to see that it is cut. And now we need to score our page. Now, working from the right side, we're going to score it at 6 inches. And that completes our base page. And now let's look at our labels. Our labels have a couple of ovals. Now those ovals are designed to use a die cutter if you have a die cutting machine. Otherwise, you can cut them out just with your scissors. And there will be adhesive on all of your labels, omitting the memory verse card. I'm going to cut my labels in half, and I'm going to cut my memory card off. I'm going to turn it over and put the adhesive on the back of the labels, and I'm going to cut my labels. And that completes our kit today, our base page and our labels. Now let's assemble our kit. First, we're going to start with our base page, and we're going to fold it at the 6-inch line. And we're going to make sure that it will go in the slotted tab. And so let's start with our outside, which is the miracles of Jesus. Next, we want to apply our Jesus raises a widow's son and our passage label. Now we're going to open it up, and we're going to apply the key verse. Next is our main characters, and then our words to live by. Make sure you don't put these two labels on the fold line, or it will not fold properly. Thank you for joining me today for number 11. Next, we will do number 12 in the miracles of Jesus. Jesus calms the storm. This is such a great page with stand-ups. And we'll see you next time. Thank you and have a great day.